How to change mouse cursors in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started with this quick tutorial. So first of all, you have to right click on your start button and go to settings. Now from the left side, you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Under Bluetooth and devices, you will see the mouse option. Tap on it and then you have to click on additional mouse settings. Once this tab is opened, you have to go to the pointer. Once you have gone there, you will see different options. Now you have to double tap on the normal text or normal pointer. Here you will see different options of different pointer types or the cursor. You can click on any of them and click on open. After that, you can click on apply and OK, which will change your cursor. So this was one way to change your cursor. But if you want to add some new cursors, you can go to any of your browser and search for open cursor. Here you can see different types of mouse and such pointers. You can simply click on it, download it to the location of your normal cursor and change it. So this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.